Nik Bear Brown, build it with a CLI, then take it apart. Flash holds the weights, SRAM holds the activations. When a model doesn't fit, the error message says out of memory, and that single message hides which one failed. A Flash problem and an SRAM problem have different fixes. Compress weights for Flash, tile or restructure activations for SRAM. The verdict module names which one broke. Ask for the experiment. In the terminal, Claude, write memory.py, inputs param count, dtype, firmware kilobytes, largest activation, target flash and SRAM kilobytes, emit a typed verdict with flash margin, SRAM margin, and mitigations. Read it before trusting it. Weight memory is params times bytes per param. int8 is 1 byte, FP32 is 4. SRAM is driven by the largest single activation, not the sum, because only one layer is live at a time. The verdict separates the two margins and names a different mitigation for each. Run it. A MobileNet v2 0.5 in FP32, the flash bar fills to 5.6 megabytes against a 4 megabyte ceiling. Over budget, crimson. The SRAM bar at 0.5 megabytes sits safely below its 1 megabyte ceiling. Ink. 2 bars, 2 different stories. The verdict says, flash fails, SRAM is fine. That's the FP32 picture. The fix is int8 quantization. Iterate, Claude, add int8 as a toggle and re-emit the verdict. Watch flash pass, SRAM barely move. Rerun. int8 toggle. Flash drops to 1.4 megabytes, now under the 4 megabyte ceiling. Ink. SRAM barely moves, down to 0.25 megabytes, still fine. The verdict flips from flash fail to flash pass. SRAM was never the problem. int8 fixed the one that was. Out of memory is 2 different bugs. Flash fails when weights plus firmware exceeds the budget. Compress weights. SRAM fails when the largest activation exceeds the budget. Tile or restructure. A typed verdict forces you to name which. Naming which tells you the fix. Your move. Pull your model's param count and largest activation size from the toolkit loader, and your target's flash and SRAM from the datasheet. Run the verdict. If flash fails, int8 is the first lever. If SRAM fails, layer-by-layer tiling is the next question. Nik Bear Brown. Build it with a CLI, then take it apart. At Nik Bear Brown, nikbearbrown.com.